gosh, who's spamming me right now? Oh my god, there's a lot of rain. Oh, hi. Hi, there's literally a lot of rain. I won't be coming until the rain stops. Okay, bye honey, bye. I don't know why he's panicking. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do in the morning, but this time it's raining. But yeah, I didn't know it would rain, but I kinda heard the voices. I thought it was just like from outside, not the rain, but I realized there is a rain, so yeah. Seems like someone sent me something. Oh, the school did. There won't be school because of the weather? Okay, I guess the kids don't have school anymore. Okay then. It is actually raining, but I have to change this outfit because I'm literally freezing right now. Okay, let's go to the bathroom now. Okay, I'm gonna start off by brushing my teeth. Okay, all done. Now I'm going to go and get ready to pray, but I don't know why the lights are closed, so let me open them real quick. Okay, I'm all ready. Now I'm gonna set my praying mat. Okay guys, so I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go shower and I have to clean the mess Noah made. Then I'm gonna cook and open the curtains and everything, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna wear my ring and get my phones and go downstairs. Okay, I have to open the curtains and I have to clean this mess, so let me do it real quick. Okay, now let me just cook. Okay, let me just put coffee, then I have to go and feed Luna. Here you go. Okay, the table's ready, now I have to go wake the kids up. Honey, get up. I don't want to. You have to. No, it's raining. It's raining? Yeah. And you don't have school. Yeah, never mind, I am gonna wake up. Oh, okay. I can't believe it's actually raining. Anyways, let me get ready. I'm gonna go to the bathroom now. What are you guys doing here? What do you think, Cook?
Yeah, like, what do you think?
Whatever, you're so annoying. Okay, now I'm gonna wear an outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna wear these pants with this shirt and this, and I'm gonna tie my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wear these pants with this shirt and this jacket, and now I'm just gonna get my praying mat and go pray.
Okay, I'm gonna wear this shirt, these pants, this hat. I think I made a really big mess.
Oh shoot, Noah's crying. Shh, it's okay, it's okay. I think he's hungry or cold, I don't know.
Okay, let's go change his outfit. Oh my god, Lily, what is this? Clean this up now. Fine, I'm gonna clean it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is his outfit. I hate cleaning so much, it's so annoying.
Okay, let's start praying now, okay? Okay, we're all done. Okay, now let's start eating. Okay guys, so we all just finished eating. Now we're just gonna sit down and watch TV.
Breakfast! What is this? It looks like medieval prison food.
It's cereal. Real cereal.
What's wrong with Smashmallows?
I've read the back of the box. This is so unhealthy that by the time you guys turn 13, your double chins will be touching your cankles.
At least the mascot.
Guys, I have a really good idea.
What is it?
Yeah, what is it?
We can go outside and play in the rain. This is gonna be so fun, I swear. Yeah, that's a good idea, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, let's go do it.
Okay, let's go do it fast since mom's distracted. This is so fun, I don't regret it. Same. Okay, kids, so we're gonna order. What? Where are the kids? I'm hearing noises. Let me go outside and check. Kids, what is this? We're dead. Yeah, we're dead. Get inside now and go shower. Whatever. They always have to do this. The rain finally stopped. Hey honey, hey, the rain finally stopped, I know, right? So it's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I send a new video. Bye stars!